Hello students, welcome to video teaching. It's chemistry for class 10. In chemistry, metallurgy section is going on. Our topic is states of metallurgical process. I have discussed the first two states, that is concentration or enrichment of ore, it is the first step, and converting metal compounds into metal oxides. In case the ore contains sulfide or carbonates of metal, it need to be converted into metal oxides. This is done by roasting or calcination. These are the first two stages of metallurgical process. I already explained. Today I will discuss the reduction of metal oxides into respective metals. Okay? It is the third stage of metallurgical process, by which the metal is obtained from their oxides. Okay? There are three methods for the reduction of metal oxides into metal. These are carbon reduction. This method is adopted in case of moderate reactive metals, like moderately reactive metal like zinc, iron, lead, etc. Second one is electrolytic reduction. By this method, highly electronegative, highly reactive metals, means highly electropositive metals, right? The metals which stands first in the reactivity series, like lithium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, etc. Okay? Highly reactive metals their oxides are reduced to metal by the process of electrolysis called electrolytic reduction. Okay? And in case of less reactive metal, unreactive metals, as copper, mercury, silver, gold, etc. By self-reduction, the metal oxide is converted into metal. Thus, there are three methods for reduction of metal oxides into metal: carbon reduction method, electrolytic reduction, and self-reduction. Okay? One by one, we will discuss each of these three methods. First one is carbon reduction method. Right? It is suitable to reduce the oxide of moderate reactive metals into metals. Well, in this coke, carbon in the form of coke or charcoal, used as reducing agent. Right? The coke or charcoal is mixed with the powdered ore and is fed into a furnace. Okay? Large furnaces, big furnaces are used, right, at metallurgical industry for this purpose. So the coke or charcoal is mixed with the powdered concentrated ore and fed into big furnace. Sometimes one more substance called flux is need to be added, is need to be mixed. Right? For example, in case of extraction of iron from its oxide, coke is used as reducing agent and calcium carbonate is also used there as flux. Flux are chemical compounds which are used to remove the non-metallic impurities present along with metal compound in the oil. Okay? So when required, flask also obtained, otherwise carbon is mixed with the powder dough and fed into furnace. Now in furnace the mixture is heated strongly. Okay? The flask along with gauge fuse together to form a fusible mass called slag. Right? And the metal oxide reduced to metal by carbon. Means coke. Here carbon dioxide is reduced. For example, say reduction of zinc oxide into zinc. Zinc is obtained from zinc blende, can be obtained from zinc blende. It's zinc sulfide. On roasting, the zinc sulfide is changed into zinc oxide, and from zinc oxide, zinc is obtained by carbon dioxide. The chemical reaction, the reaction of reduction accompanied in this way. The carbon takes oxygen from zinc oxide and reduces zinc oxide into zinc. Okay? This is how reduction takes place. Reduction of zinc oxide into zinc takes place by the method of carbon reduction. Okay? In other moderate reactive metal, also this method is adopted. Next is reduction of highly reactive metal like sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, etc. Electrolysis is carried. It is done by the process of electrolysis. Right? In electrolytic reduction, what is done? The molten ore is subjected to electrolysis. For example, extraction of aluminium from alumina. Aluminium is aluminum oxide. So from aluminum oxide is reduced to aluminium by electrolysis. In this method of reduction, the molten alumina is used as electrolyte. When electric current is passed, it breaks into constituent ion, say aluminum ion and oxide ion. Okay? At cathode, the decomposition takes place in the electrolytic cell, and at cathode, aluminum by getting free electron get discharged and collected on cathode. Aluminum is deposited on cathode. From cathode it can be obtained. And the oxygen gas is released at anode. Okay. Right? So this is how aluminum is obtained by electrolytic reduction of aluminum. Right? Other highly reactive metals like sodium, calcium, magnesium are obtained from their halide ore by electrolysis of molten form of their oxide. Their halide means molten. Okay? And the last method is self-reduction, method of self-reduction. It is adopted in case of unreactive metals, least reactive metals like say copper, mercury, silver, etc. For example, mercury is obtained from cinnabar. Here the method of self-reduction is adopted for the conversion of mercuric oxide into mercury. Mercuric oxide, mercuric sulfide is cinnabar. When it is heated in presence of air, then changed into mercuric oxide and sulfur dioxide gas is released. That means on roasting, by roasting, the mercuric sulfide is converted into mercury sulfide converted into mercuric oxide. On further heating, the mercuric oxide undergoes self-reduction. Right? Means two molecules of mercuric oxide reduce each other, forming liquid mercury, and the oxygen gas is released. Okay? This is how mercury is obtained from cinnamon. Its source cinnamon. Okay? In the same way, the oxides of other unreactive metals, right, are reduced into two metals. This is called self-reduction. Similarly, you should keep all these points in mind. Let's summarize all the points I have discussed today. Three methods of reduction are there: carbon reduction, electrolytic reduction, and self-reduction. Carbon reduction is adopted in case of moderate reactive metal to convert the oxides of moderate reactive metal into metal. The method of electrolytic reduction is adopted in case of highly reactive metal like sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, etc. Okay? And the method of self-reduction is adopted in case of unreactive metals like mercury, silver, etc. More I will discuss next time. That's all.